In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the choose function. A combination of the choose function and VLOOKUP can be used to create dynamic reports in Excel. The choose function chooses a value or action to be performed from a list of values based on an index or number. So the index is a number between 1 and infinity, while the values are text or numbers that you choose to appear on your formula. Now, the first, we are given data for the region and the index so that each region has a number associated with it. On this other table, we have the revenues per region from January to June and the net income from January to June per region. Now, first, we validate a list of regions on cell B3 by going to data validation, then get a list from the source, which will be the regions. Then click OK. Now we'll get at least one region on this cell, say North. Then use VLOOKUP to change, use VLOOKUP to get the index based on the region. So I'll use the VLOOKUP function here. VLOOKUP for North in this table array, then give me the second column, which is the index. Let me just change the array here. Is the index, then give me exact match, and I close the bracket so that I get the index for North. The index will be changing based on the selection that I do for the region. Now I will use the choose function to use this index so that I can fetch the east, north, south, and west revenues. So I'll type here is equals to choose. Then I'll choose using this index. Then I'll lock that by using F4. Then comma. Then my values will be east, north, south, and west. Then I close and press enter. Now I change this to a number so that it's a number like that. So I'll be getting the south, it will give me 18,911. That, then copy this across. I'll also do the same for the net income. Choose this index, then I lock using F4, then comma, then the values, I pick the percentages for east, north, south, and west. Close the brackets and press enter. Then I copy this across. Now whenever I change this index here, if I change the index cell to east, my revenues and net income are going to change based on the index number. Thanks for watching.